like to vacuum seal my fish as soon as possible for when I get in. Well, first of all, it's going to greatly extend the life in the fridge, but also it'll greatly extend the life in the freezer. Now, often I'll put my fish straight in the freezer. I don't wait till it gets towards the end in the fridge. When I get home, I'll put it all in the freezer unless I know I'm gonna cook something either tonight or maybe tomorrow night. But when you vacuum seal fish right away and you freeze it right away, by freezing it and taking it out a day or two later, you will not notice a difference in quality. But if life happens, you get busy and you don't eat the fish, that freshness is sealed in, and it's amazing how long this fish quality will stay primo. Now, one of the many pluses of having a hybrid is you get to do this vacuum sealing with the AC 120 volt plug in the back at the marina while not getting yelled at by your wife in the kitchen, making your whole house and kitchen smell like fish, and or maybe your kids too, which happens at my place. So I've just plugged in, let the big electric battery on this thing give us the energy. Now, one trick when you're vacuum sealing is you'll see the instruction on your unit when you get one, is you want to have your food centered in the middle. Now, I've just put this to operate. You can see I have the power, and mine anyway, you hit the vac seal button, and it'll suck it up, and then it'll auto do a seal. That's when the red light comes on, and it'll release once it's completely sealed. Done. I can go back in the cooler. How cool is that?